Have you ever thought about growing your own fruits at home? It's a delightful, rewarding venture that can also be quite cost-effective. Transforming your living space into a mini orchard is simpler than you might think. Stick around to discover the top 5 fruits you can easily grow in containers. First on our list is the delightful strawberry. Thriving wonderfully in containers, these ruby gems love sunny spots and well-drained soil. The thrill of plucking ripe, juicy strawberries right from your porch is truly unmatched. So, why not give strawberries a try? Next up, we have the versatile tomato. Perfect for container gardening, tomatoes offer a bounty of varieties to try. With proper care, you'll be harvesting in no time. Think about it, the satisfaction of picking your own fresh tomatoes. Moving on, let's talk about blueberries. These tiny powerhouses thrive in containers, loving acidic soil and cool climates. Imagine the convenience of plucking fresh, antioxidant-packed blueberries right from your balcony or patio. Why not add a touch of blue to your container garden? Fourth on our list, we have peppers. A fantastic variety can thrive in containers, from sweet bell peppers to fiery habaneros. With the right care, you'll experience the sheer delight of harvesting your own peppers. Peppers can surely spice up your container garden. Finally, we have dwarf citrus trees. Perfect for container gardening, these compact trees need a bit of care but reward you generously. Picture nurturing them and then experiencing the delight of plucking your own lemons, oranges, or limes. Imagine the joy of picking your own citrus fruits. Growing fruits in containers is a rewarding experience. From the sweet delight of strawberries to the tangy goodness of tomatoes, the refreshing taste of blueberries, the spicy kick of peppers, and the zesty flavor of dwarf citrus trees, we've covered a cornucopia of possibilities. Container gardening brings the joy of fresh fruits right to your doorstep. So why not give it a try? Remember, each seed you plant is a promise of a delicious tomorrow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!